I'm not a nice person.
This is how it works. A guardian finds old people who are isolated, who have money.
Dad,
You're a tough old lady.
locked up like animals.
Just listen to your guardian. Get along with them, you'll be okay.
What are you gonna do now?
We have to fight back.
No money, no home. What would you do? It's not a Christian country anymore. There's no place for the poor, the sick, the old. Everyone's out for himself.
Businessmen, politicians, gangsters. Sometimes it's hard to tell them apart.
These are bad people. I've done bad things myself.
My grandmother has friends you don't know about.
When Jesus knew the end was coming, he got down on his knees and washed the feet of his disciples. I'm not a nice person, but I do have other qualities.